I'm going to show you a simple technique to support your lung meridian. My name is Izzy Aldridge. Lung meridian starts right off of the shoulder and ends at your thumbnail. A great way to support the vitality of the meridian is you wrap your fingers around the thumb and with your other hand just place it right off of the shoulder. What you're doing is you're jump starting the meridian by holding the beginning and end points of the meridian, just like you would jump start a car. So this is something that you can do just for a few deep breaths, or you can do this and just hold it for 20 minutes while you're watching TV or laying in bed. This is something that you want to do on both sides of the body. So hold on to your thumb, hold on right off of the shoulder, and just relax. It's something that you can do anytime, anywhere. Everyone can do it. Until next time, keep moving energies.